Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Doodle as a complete beginner. In case you're wondering what Doodle is, well, it is a meeting scheduling platform. So for example, if you're planning to do some recruiting online, or if you have a board meeting that you want to organize online, Doodle may be the perfect platform for you. For example, if I were to tap on use cases, you can see the different use cases right here. So as I said earlier, if you are looking at a platform to schedule recruiting, or if you want to organize sales or board meetings, or even if you're a freelancer or a consultant, you can use this platform. It's quite straightforward to do, and I'll be showing you all of the features and all of the workaround with Doodle. So the first thing you want to do, once on doodle.com, you're going to tap on try it for free. And as you can see right there, they do not require a credit card to get started. And once you have tapped on try it for free, you will be led to a new page on which you'll sign in using your email address. You can either use your email address or Facebook. Once you are signed up, you'll be led to this page on which you can connect your existing calendar if you want. Or for now, I'll tap on do it later. Once you have tapped on do it later or you have added your existing calendar, you will be led to the Doodle dashboard. And from here, you can see help us make your Doodle experience better. So what is your role at work? And from here, you can select your role. Then after you have done that, you're going to simply scroll down and you're going to tap on continue. In which industry do you work? From here, you can select the type of industry that you work in. So you can simply tap on it. Then you'll simply scroll down and then you can select how many persons are employed to your company. Then you'll tap on finish. After you have done that, you can see right here, start by creating your first doodle. So if you would like to create a group poll, you can do that. Or if you would like to organize your first meeting on Doodle, you can also do that. But you can see right here, welcome to Doodle. Before scheduling with Doodle, first complete these steps. Set up your time zone, connect your calendar, and add video conferencing. To get started, you can simply tap on get started right here. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to the settings page on Doodle. And from here, you can organize your profile. So all you'll have to do is tap on profile. And from there, you'll be able to upload a photo. Also, if you would like to change your name, you can right here, you can change your name. And you can also scroll down, and if you have any preferences, for example, language or so on, you can change that. And once you're finished, you'll simply scroll back up. And again, if you would like to connect a calendar, you can also connect a calendar right here. And also you can add contacts by tapping on contacts. After you have tapped on contacts from right here, you can select any one of these platforms. And if in the future you'd like to sign up to their subscription plan, all you'll have to do is tap on subscription. Then from there, you could go onto their professional plan by tapping on upgrade right here. And also if you were to tap on apps and integrations, you can add Zapier, and you can also add Microsoft Teams, and you can also connect with Zoom, as you can see right here. But majority of the apps that you'll be able to integrate or connect with, you will need to be on the premium plan on Doodle. But once we are finished with the setup, let us go back in to the dashboard, as you can see right here. And let's say, for example, we want to create a group poll. So all we'll have to do is tap on create poll. After you have tapped on create poll, you will be redirected to this page. Just give it a few seconds to load up. Then all you have to do now is simply scroll down, and right where you see the title, you can tap right there, what is the occasion, and from here you can type in meeting, or you can type in the name of the poll. Then you'll simply scroll down, and you can add the description right here if you want. And also you can scroll down and you could add a location if you want. and if it is a video conference, you can simply toggle that on. Then after scrolling down, you can select the duration. So for example, if you would like the poll to be active for 15 minutes, you can select that. Or if you would like it to stay at 60 minutes, you can also do that. And you can see week, month, you can select any one of these options. Once you're finished, you're going to scroll down. And again, from here, if you would like to set a deadline or anything like that, you would have to be on the Pro plan. So you can see that there are other features that you can use on Doodle, but majority of them you would have to be on the Pro plan. If you are not on the Pro plan, you will realize that you can see an ad, as you can see right here in the bottom right hand corner of my screen. Once you are finished setting it up, you will tap on Create, Invite, and Continue. So let me select the duration right here. We'll need at least one time suggested. So let me scroll down. Then from here, let me tap right here and fill in. Then I'll tap on Create and Invite. Once you're finished, you'll be redirected to this page. As you can see, almost done. Invite your guests so your meeting can happen. You're going to scroll down. Then from here, you can tap on Copy Link and you'll be able to share the link. And once someone taps on that link, they'll be able to join on the meeting, as you can see right here. Also, you can scroll down, and if we were to tap on More right there, if you would like to send out an email invitation, you can do that also. And to preview our invitation, all we have to do is tap on Preview right here, and you can see how it looks. So this is preview mode. You can see how it looks right here. And now to go back to the main dashboard, let us do that. So I'll close out of preview. Then I'm going to tap on Doodle in the top left hand corner. And once on the main dashboard, as you can see right here, let's go back. If we would like to create a new booking page, all you have to do is tap on Create a New Booking Page. And also, if you realize, let me go back quickly. Also, if you realize in the top right hand corner, right beside your profile, you can see Create. All you'll have to do is tap on the plus right there. And from there, you can see the booking page and also the group poll. So let's tap on Create Booking Page from this example. Then I'll be redirected to this platform. And from here, I don't want to connect a calendar, so I'll simply close out of that and go back. That you can also use on Doodle. You could create a booking page. All you'll have to do is tap on Create New Booking Page. But to create a new booking page, you would have to add a calendar. As you can see right here, you will have to upload a calendar to be able to use the booking page. So all you'll have to do is connect an existing calendar, or you could create a new calendar. And that, hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.